Governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party Titus Suba, along with his deputy as well as executives of the party, dissatisfied with the just concluded governorship and state assembly election.
We were ready for the elections and did mobilize to participate in them with faith and trust in the promises made by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to ensure free and fair elections. Sadly, this was not the case at the governorship and state assembly polls, which were held on 18th March 2023.
Mffo says, after its legal department carefully studied the reports received, it has come to the following conclusion.
It is therefore the decision of the Benue State chapter of PDP that the outcome of the March 18, 2023 elections be challenged at the Benue State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal sitting in Makurdi. It is our belief that we owe democracy in our country, Nigeria, a duty to help deepen it by taking such an action to reverse the hijacking of the popular mandate of the people as done by APC during the last elections. It is our faith that the mandate of the Benue electorate will be restored to our great party as was rightfully given by the people on March 18th, 2023.
PDP, which is the main opposition party in the state, was flawed in the just concluded governorship and state assembly elections, a result they want to contest.